Hello, hi friends. Welcome to Way to Java learning program. Today I will show you how to implement Swagger UI with using Spring Boot, and I will show you the simplest way how you can implement Swagger UI. So wherever you want to add that Swagger UI, you need to follow this simplest procedure. So I have made this Swagger implementation, Spring Boot application. So I will how I have made this Swagger implementation. I will just tell you like this. I go through this file, then new, then Spring Starter project, then here I have given name, group, artifact name, and then you need to do next. Now for showing the web methods, just you can add this Spring Web dependency, just Spring Web dependency here, click and then finish. That's all. So after this Spring Boot application will create. In this Spring Boot application, by default application.java will create, and I have make this controller class. So in this controller class I will show this controller class only I make to show the method which is going to show on Swagger UI. That's all. So here I've not done anything. Just use one rest at the rest controller. I have make one method. I have make one method. That's all. So after that, I will show what is the dependency I'm using for Swagger UI. So this is this. There are two dependency I'm using. First one this one, second one this one. So these two dependency only you need to add. After that, what you need to do, just you need in application.java class you need to come here. I'm using at the rate enable Swagger 2. You need to use this annotation to enable the Swagger. Then here I'm using at the rate bean annotation for this method API. This method you need to write this API method. It is returning docket object. So here you can see this API. You can see this documentation type dot swagger or security schemas array dot list API key. API key. What is this API key? And just here you can see API key is returning JWT authorization header. Then after that dot select. I'm selecting this one, this header. Then dot APIs here request handler selectors dot with class annotation rest controller dot class. What is the use of this? Means if your requirement is to get all the controller class which have annotation at the rest controller, it will call, it will connect all those controllers from controller class. And then with that I am using dot path selector dot new. What it will do, it will take all the uh, first it will go, it will search all the controller class which have at the rest controller annotation. After that it will see what is the path I'm giving. So I'm giving path like every path I'm just trying to get dot any. And then here dot API info, I'm API info, here I'm calling API info. So this will show the title, description and version. That's all. I will show this. Here you can change any name, you can give any name. Here also you can give any name. I'll show where this it is showing. Just I will run this application. So application is started. You can see here application is started, and you can see port number is 8080. So by default the port number is 8080. So I am using the default port number only. Now I am going to browser. Here what you need to do, localhost, this URL you need to hit. I have hit. You can see you will get this one. This Swagger you are seeing, the Swagger is coming from this title, and uses, you can see uses is coming, the description, and then version latest, it is showing this latest version, latest one. Okay, so these are the you can change there any name, you will get same thing. And now I'm just clicking this one. You can see this method to show Swagger. This method is coming from this controller class, this method to show Swagger. So this is a post method. So I'm using this post method. you can click try it out, so you will get the response. What is the response? The response is Swagger response. I'm returning Swagger, so it will return the Swagger. So this is the way to implement Swagger UI. So uh, if you have any doubt, you can comment me regarding this Swagger. Th- Thank you for seeing my video. Please subscribe in my video for seeing this type of implementation. Thank you.